accordance with my own timetable. And this is not true for this, but I put. Oh, jeez, I was babysitting a friend of mine. He was babysitting for his wife. And I had to talk with him, and the only way that I could talk with him was to go and babysit him. So I went, and we were talking, and I then there came creeping under the door a hint of a whimper that didn't ever quite materialize. And you kept waiting. And in the war of nerves that's going on, I couldn't concentrate on what I was talking about. I could just quit and go in the room and see what's wrong with your little boy. And you went in there, and he had kicked the blankets off. And he had his big toe in his mouth. And he was chewing his big toe and crying because it hurt. He did not know it was his toe. He had not come in for such. It's a long journey to cool your body. So that you exercise the power of veto and certification over your own body. And there can be no sense of doubt. I'm not. Somehow. Of a piece. All that a man has is his life. All that a man is given his life. In every life, there are a few special moments that count for more than all the rest, because they meant the taking of a stand, a self-commitment, a decisive choice. It is commitment that creates the person. It is by commitment that man reveals his humanity. It is the pressing need to find meaning for one's life, to subordinate the whole of life to that meaning. It is this need, this inner aspiration, which is from God. All the ideologies, all the doctrines, all the formulae drawn up by men will pass. Every idea